Are you tired of pet stains, stubborn spots, and lingering odors taking over your carpets and upholstery? Well, we have the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner, your new best friend in the battle against dirt and stains. And guess what? With every purchase, you're also helping save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Let's talk about power. This little green machine brings powerful suction to the table. It's your secret weapon against tough pet spots and stains, whether they're on your carpets, upholstery, or even your car interiors. What makes this BISSELL cleaner stand out? Its portable and versatile design. With this one device, you can easily clean multiple surfaces throughout your home. Say goodbye to the hassle of using different cleaners for different areas. Now let's talk capacity. The BISSELL Little Green boasts a generous 48 Oz tank. That means less time spent refilling and more time doing what you love, cleaning. But it doesn't stop there. This powerhouse not only removes stains but also kicks odors to the curb. With BISSELL's spot stain formula featuring Febreze Freshness, your home will be left smelling as good as it looks. And the versatility continues. It's not just for carpets. Use it on stairs, upholstery, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. One machine, endless cleaning possibilities. But wait, there's more. When you choose the BISSELL Little Green, you'll also receive some fantastic extras. The 3 Tough Stain Tool, the Hydrogen's self-cleaning hose tool, and a trial-size 8 Oz spot and stain formula with Febreze. Everything you need for a thorough clean. This is not just a cleaning tool. It's an investment in a cleaner, fresher home. And with a 1-year limited warranty, you can trust in the quality and durability of BISSELL products. So why wait? Say goodbye to stains, odors, and dirty carpets. Upgrade your cleaning game with the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner. Click the link below to make it yours and let the cleaning revolution begin. Join the countless satisfied users who've made this cleaner a part of their daily lives. Don't miss out on the chance to enjoy a cleaner, fresher home. Get your BISSELL Little Green now